Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of phone data and the internet not working. Whether the cater is a very simple way. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video. But before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share the video. And thank you from the heart to everyone who subscribed, and thank you from the heart. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, to solve the problem of phone data not working is to bring down your notification bar, then press the phone data icon, long press, and it will take you directly to this interface. If it does not take you to this interface, that's okay. Go to settings, then press phone data, and here you will press the names of access points. Then press 3 lines or 3 dots above here, then press the name of a new access point, and here in the name you write any name you want, whether the cater, it does not matter. The important thing is to write anything, and here in the bell be that you write this double-b.google.com. Now, after doing these steps, go down and press the holder. Then you do by deactivating all these options. You activate all these options and deactivate the first option. Now, after doing these things, click on the check mark or the save mark. Now let's try to see if the internet is working or not. We turn it on. As you can see, the phone data appeared to us. If we go to the Google search engine and write anything, we will find that the internet is working successfully. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For inquiries, any problems or any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video.